Hi, and welcome to Section 7 of Scikit-learn recipes. In this section, we are going to take a look at feature selection techniques in scikit-learn. I'm going to introduce what feature selection is, then we're going to do some hands-on feature selection, then we are going to run through some k-fold cross-validation, shuffle split, and time series cross-validation. After that, we'll take a look at L1 and L2 regularization norms, and then see how model performance can be improved by a grid search of the hyperparameters. In the first video, we're going to go through an introduction of feature selection. So there are many feature selection techniques. 3 of those techniques are filter methods, wrapper methods, and checking the feature importance. Feature selection mainly means that you select the features that are most important. This is very useful in larger data sets where you're trying to reduce the number of dimensions. One of the feature selection methods is filter methods. A filter method is independent of the model used. It is based on general methods like looking at the correlation. It basically finds the best subset of variables and helps reduce overfitting. Types of filter methods are information gain, Fisher score, correlation coefficient, chi-square test, and variance threshold. Now, wrapper methods evaluate subsets of variables, which allow, unlike filter method, to detect the possible interactions between variables. Now, there are some disadvantages with wrapper methods. One is that they increase overfitting when the number of observations is insufficient, and then it takes a significant computation time. And computation time is one of the most important ways of improving model performance. You don't want to spend a lot of time trying to do the sort of data engineering before you even start building the model, especially if that is super unnecessary. Types of wrapper methods are recursive feature elimination, sequential feature selection algorithms, and genetic algorithms. And lastly, feature importance is when you use decision tree classifiers to find the relative importance of the features. And the important features will then be kept in the data set, and the model will be built on only the most important features. So these are 3 types of feature selection methods. There are many more types of feature selection methods, but we will be going over these types of methods in scikit-learn.